ready for an adventure where music and mountains meet? Along the US's Appalachian Trail, hikers don't just find breathtaking landscapes, they discover a living tradition of folk music echoing from rustic cabins and lively porch gatherings. Here, local musicians play fiddles and banjos, weaving stories of love, hardship, and hope into every note. The soundscape is as rich as the forests, with Appalachian ballads passed down for generations. Experience the magic where melodies travel as far as the trail itself. Subscribe for more travel adventures.